Florida Republican Senator Ashley Moody joins us now. You can't live with this, Madam Senator. You just can't have it, can you?
No, and this is why the public is becoming increasingly frustrated with these, I would call them political activist litigants that are using the courts to try and impede an administration from getting the job done that they promised to the American people. And this Obama-era judge played right into the hands of these activist litigants and has said, no, you have to shut down Alligator Alcatraz over a law that was never intended to address a state facility that was using a county-owned land that used by the state that they were going to run to try and help President Trump in this effort. And now you've got a facility shut down that's going to cost hundreds of millions of dollars. The good news is Alligator Alcatraz lit a fire under other states, and we've now seen other states step up and say, look, we can help with temporary detention. We can help with this largest law and order deportation effort that's ever been undertaken by a president. And now they're doing their job. But certainly, Governor DeSantis will make sure that this is appealed. It really, really should not have applied. No, this was meant to apply for large infrastructure projects, rail, roads, where the permanency, the cost could not be undone once it was built if the environmental concerns weren't considered.
One more for you, Senator. I'm intrigued at this. Governor Ron DeSantis proposes a Florida DOGE to eliminate, or at least drastically cut, property taxes in Florida. A, do you like this idea? And B, how does it actually work? DOGE cuts costs in Florida so you can cut property taxes. Is that it?
This is such a great idea. And think about states like California. If they had done something proactive like this when their property taxes started skyrocketing, you might have prevented some of the undermining of the beauty and cities there in California. But this is a great idea. So think about it. In one specific county here in Florida, the property taxes went up 50% to the counties because of value in property skyrocketing, and the population only grew 5%. And so what Governor DeSantis and the Department of Government Efficiency, we now have a department set up by statute here in Florida to go in and examine the expenses being laid out to make sure that they're not superfluous or undermining stability or law and order, pet projects. I mean, in one instance, they found a county administrator was making more than the President of the United States. I mean, this is great governing, and it makes sure that we're respecting taxpayers and not treating them like piggy banks for any of these wild and crazy projects that the cities or counties might want to undertake.
We have a lot of viewers in Florida. I'm sure they're delighted to hear that maybe their property taxes could inch a bit lower. Senator, always a pleasure. Thank you very much for joining us this morning. We appreciate it. Thank you.
Great to be with you.